You alright?
Oh, fuck, that was one hell of a ride.
The aftermath.
That's impressive.
Seriously, I was watching it go up and I'm like,
Oh, I went to saw it.
and I was like, oh, do I need to move real quick?
Did you get the windscreen, Ian?
Yes.
You did? Coming
Yes.
up in the air?
I got everything in the air.
Good.
I just got to put it back onto
We
the...
might need the red jacket.
I've got to put it back onto the... watch out, boss. Onto the...
Bushfires starting everywhere.
Please tell me you got that explosion.
One can only hope, Macca.
Guess who forgot to turn the
They forgot to turn the other one on.
None at all on that one.
That would have been so good. That would have been the best.
Yeah, Mackenzie didn't get too much because it's here and he can't see over the edge.
Oh, no.
So you're hoping on me now? That's a worry.